Hi, good morning. This is Shivangi, and today we are going to go through how to make digital products. So, once you're on the dashboard, you have to come to Notes and PDFs. From here, you can click on Create Product from here, or you can click Create Product. Once you click on this, you will be taken to this screen where you can ask AI for help. For example, when you click on Enter, it will show you that AI is creating your content. Once you are here, AI will fill everything for you, but you can cross check it. For example, if you don't like the product title, you can change it from here, or you can click on AI, it will generate a new title. You can accept it or click on try again. Similarly, you can also change the description. You can click here. You can click here and you can accept this. And you can change the content here. Once you're here, you can select your category, it's notes, or you can change the category, practice papers, ebooks, question bank, study material. You can change the language name, you can change the exam name, NEET, PG, whatever exam that you are targeting. You can keep this as paid. You can change, if you click this, you can keep this as paid, or you can keep this as free. If you click on this, this would be a free product for the students. If you unclick this, you can keep a charge of 100 or 200 or whatever you seem appropriate. You can come up and click on save and continue. Once you click that, you will be taken to edit digital product where you can upload your file. You can click on upload file and you can upload any PDF that relates to that digital product that you're making. You can choose to preview 1 or 2 pages. I'm selecting 2 here, and you can save as draft if you want to change anything and if you're not 100% sure, or you can save and publish. Even if you save and publish, you can go to your digital product and edit it here, and you will be taken back to the screen where you can change product. Here you have details, and if you go to next, you will have files. You can this file here if you want to change it. Right now it says as published. So this is product unpublished successfully. It would be in drafts now or unpublished. You can go to archives. You won't see anything. You can go to draft, and then here you will see your PDF. So this is the digital product that you can make from this tab or module. See you in the next video.